This cord actually works quite well. But you know what the highlight of this light is? Two things. Easy operation. Like, that's good. But it's actually this clip here. So there's a clip here that you can put on your shirt or your backpack, which I had today, which I'll show you on the video. And you can easily just, yeah, so you don't have to just put on your head. You can put on your shirt. And that's why I bought this thing. And yeah, the versatility, really good. So here's how it works. You got power button and the mode. Hold down to turn on, low, high, that's all it has. Red light, white light, hold to turn off. That's it. Really simple. Worth the $40 with taxes.